So you've been tracking your macros, hitting the gym, doing cardio, and even doing cold plunges and nootropics, but you're still feeling moody, tired, or just not seeing real progress. So what if the real reason has been overlooked this whole time? And I think one of the most overlooked aspects of fitness is eating for micronutrient excellence. The fitness world is obsessed with macros, especially protein, and when people don't see any real results in a couple of weeks, they just hop from program to program, trying to just find the perfect plan. But if you're still burnt out, anxious, or stuck, even when you're doing everything right, your body might just be missing the very building blocks it needs for energy, mood, and hormonal balance, and that is with micronutrients. The truth is, without this, your body cannot function, no matter how perfect your macros or workouts look on paper. Your body literally cannot make hormones, generate energy, or regulate stress without micronutrients. They are not optional, they are the very raw materials that your body depends on. Let's just do a quick overall of what vitamins and minerals control.
Hormone regulation. Certain vitamins and minerals play key roles in balancing and supporting hormone production. Thyroid hormones rely on nutrients like iodine, selenium, and zinc to function properly. Testosterone levels are supported by zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium. Cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, is influenced by vitamin C, magnesium, and B vitamins. Insulin, which regulates blood sugar, is affected by chromium, magnesium, and zinc. Energy and mitochondrial function. The body's ability to produce energy, especially at the cellular level, depends heavily on B vitamins, which help convert food into usable energy, magnesium, essential for ATP production, the main energy molecule in cells, and iron, which is crucial for oxygen transport and energy production in the mitochondria. Mood and mental resilience. Mental health and emotional stability are supported by zinc, which influences brain signaling and mood regulation, omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory effects and support of brain function, vitamin D, often linked to mood and the prevention of depression, and magnesium, which helps manage stress and promote relaxation. Physical recovery and strength. For muscle repair, immune system support, and maintaining strength, the body needs calcium, important for muscle contraction and bone strength, vitamin C, which aids tissue repair and immune defense, vitamin A, supporting tissue growth and immune function, and potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and muscle function.
You might be eating a clean diet, tracking macros, and hitting the gym, and it sounds good on paper, but here's the truth. Even with all these good habits, if your micronutrient status is suboptimal, that's the thing that's holding you back. The food we eat today is not the same as it was 50 years ago. This is due to intensive agriculture, especially monocropping, pesticide use, overgrazing, and synthetic fertilizers. And all of these have stripped our soils of key minerals, and if the soil is depleted, the crops are depleted as well. So that grass-fed steak you eat regularly, it has a fraction of the nutrients it used to have back in the day. A study from the Journal of American College of Nutrition showed that between 1950 and 1999, there were significant declines in protein, calcium, phosphorus, iron, riboflavin, and vitamin C in 43 crops. At the same time, ultra-processed foods, which are designed to be addictive, are dominating diets, especially in the Western world. This is bad because these foods are calorie rich but lack the nutrients that your body needs to function properly, and it just creates the illusion of being full, but you are realistically starving your cells of what they truly need. And the more you eat ultra processed foods, the more you crave them, and this is not good because it's just going to pull you away from eating a nutrient dense diet. And another issue we're having is, although you're eating healthy, maybe your body is not absorbing the nutrients properly. This comes down to chronic stress, alcohol, poor sleep, and the things that average people are doing now. And it's not just those things, it's also medications that a lot of people take, including birth control and anticides. And these medications impair your absorption, which means that you need to eat more of the food in order to hit your nutrient requirements. So you could be hitting the RDA with these micronutrients, but if you're stressed and taking these medications, you need to have more of these foods in order to reach that goal. We live in a culture obsessed with aesthetics and external metrics, but we barely talk about the importance of micronutrients for your internal systems. This is the silent killer of why people are feeling more tired, fatigued, so more rest after workout, and just more anxious day to day. And this is not your fault. People say eat clean, and to be fair, that's already quite good, but no one talks about the importance of each vitamin and minerals, to be fair, and how it impacts your body, your hormones, just everything. So this is why I want to start a series to explain to you guys why it's really important to eat for micronutrient excellence. So before you chase the next hacked or supplement, which God forbid, supplements should be for as a final resort, not just to take straight away. You should take supplements if you cannot get these nutrients through your diet. Yeah, we need to start with getting the basics right, which is starting with the nutritional foundation. So in the next video, I'll walk you through how to spot these deficiencies so you can perform better, feel more balanced, and stay mentally strong. So if you want to optimize performance, hormonal balance, and emotional resilience, that's just not short-term results. Subscribe and start rebuilding your body with the nutrients that it's actually craving for. Thank you.